Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, July 21st. Again, I'm going to read from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and then we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it. Today's essay is titled House of Clay. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Pema Chodron. The only reason we don't open our hearts and minds to other people is that they trigger confusion in us that we don't feel brave enough or sane enough to deal with. There was a clay house in Kwakwa, South Africa. The roof was flat, made of loose sheets of corrugated iron, held in place by a taut length of wire that ran across the entire roof. Each end of the snug wire was tied to a huge bag of sand, and both hung heavily on opposite sides of the house. It appeared as if the bags of sand were a saddle of heaviness that kept the roof from flying away. At first I thought, no nails or screws, how precarious. But for some reason the scene stayed with me until I realized that the people who lived there could open their home to the sky when things turned glorious. Now the simple clay house seemed an image of adaptability and balance, a way to make it through the storms and a way to open to the heavens. Now the heavy bags of sand were an honest and removable grounding. It makes me wonder, how much do I nail down prematurely? How much of my pain comes from ripping up what I have over-fastened on days I need to see the sky? Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Gently settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath natural, nice and soft. Remind yourself that your breath is okay just the way it is. There is nothing else you need to do. This is enough. You are enough. This moment is enough. And see if this reminder allows you to touch a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom in your whole being, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment can just flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to imagine the room in your house, perhaps one you are in right now. Imagine it without its roof, with the raw light pouring in. Breathing slowly, naturally. Bring to mind the roof you carry above your heart as you move through the world. And now imagine what the clear days would feel like without this emotional roof. As you inhale, try to feel the pull where your protective roof is fastened. And as you exhale, see if you can crack it open to the pouring light, even if it's just for a fleeting moment. Keep with this imagery for the next few moments. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this beautiful reflection. What emotional roof do you carry above your heart all day long? What would it feel like if you let the light pour in on clear days? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.